Hello, everybody, and welcome back to um, the Angry Amish Hitman. Today, I'm doing an experiment that I wanted to try out that I got from Jerry, aka Barnacles Nerdgasm. He stayed at a hotel somewhere for a video game con, and this hotel did not have a microwave in it, so they was looking around trying to think of what to use to reheat the food. Well, I don't have the exact same stuff that they used because I didn't want to spend close to $60 for everything or more. So they used a Gideon's Bible for the base. They found a blow dryer, and I'm using a Belson Golden Hot 1700, and I'm borrowing this from my friend Georgia. And they used a tissue paper holder with a cover thing on it to put on top of the Bible, and then they stuck the one that they used had like a fan tip type thing on it, and they stuck it in the box to heat it up. And this has been sitting in my freezer since about November. The fries are freezer burned, and you don't have to whisper. And this feels quite soggy, so it took me this long. Today is March 1st, 2018. So I'm going to put both of these in at the same time. I don't know how long it will take. I think it took about 15 minutes for them. So I'm going to put the box on top. It fits. They used a smaller one. I'm using a bigger box with what I have. And so I've never used this before, so I'm going to try it. So I don't know how loud I have to speak, but periodically after it warms up, I'll come back and do a report on it. So when this heats up, I'll come back. Well, it is hot now, so I'm going to stick it in the box and then come back in after about 5-10 minutes. Okay guys, it's been more like 6 minutes instead of 5. Someone didn't keep track. And this is quite warm. Let's see, is this completely? No, the bottom's still cold. And the fries aren't quite warm. So I'm going to give this another about 4 minutes for this thing, and I'll come back when the time's up. Alright guys, it's been 7 minutes instead of 4. Again, thanks to my timekeeper. So, let's see. Woo! It's nice and hot. Alright guys, so this so far has worked. Let's see. Book's still intact, thankfully. Well,
looks good. Ooh, good.
The fries, they're freezer burn as can be. But, well, a couple of them, if they're heated up enough, the freezer dry goes away, which is interesting. Now to try the burger, which is hot. I'm going to try the burger.
We don't go to her house.
It is so hot.
Joey
Ow.
gotta run.
Ow,
We
ow,
let
ow.
her do whatever we can. If she don't want a box, believe me, I won't
The
eat
cheese
box.
is all melted.
But sooner or later,
Look at that. It's just like how it was when first got it back in November. Alright. Let's see. I'm gonna take a bite. Mmm. Wow. For being in there since November, it tastes like it was just made today. Well, anyways, I can now confirm that this thing that Jerry, aka Barnacles, Nerdgasm, has done actually does work. So I can confirm it. This is really cool. I think instead of just hotel rooms that doesn't have a microwave, I think you can also use this in like dorm rooms. If you don't have a microwave, just go to like the co-ed section and ask one of the girls to borrow their hairdryer. It took roughly 20 minutes, I want to say, somewhere in there. It was really good. One thing I couldn't reproduce that he did was his random fart. Right now I'm out of gas, so yeah. Anyways, that's it for now. You'll see more videos after this. This was my first experiment type thing that's been confirmed. I would like to thank Georgia for letting me borrow her Belson Gold and Hot 1700 hairdryer. Alright guys, that's it for now. Love you all. Signing off.